Okay, we're live. Yep. Right. So it's the last day of 2025. So happy new year to everybody in advance. And guess what? I'm again here to do practice DP on the last day of 2025, bro. That sounds crazy. Krishna the only truth. What's up, bro? Hi. What's up? Right. So it's New Year. It's almost New Year. I was waiting for you for days. Thank you, bro. My end semesters are going on, bro. They have clashed with Christmas, with New Year, and even after New Year, I have my last end semester on second. Right, so I can just truly not enjoy. Everyone's happy New Year, bro. Same to you, bro. Happy New Year to everybody who's watching this. And guess what? Even on New Year's, we will be doing Leetcode. We will be. It's crazy that, bro. 2025 has already ended. I still remember that. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. 3 years ago, at this time, no, probably a few months ago, 3 years and a few months back, I was giving JE. And now, next year from 19th of Jan, I'll be starting my internship. That sounds crazy. Yeah, so what's the plan for today? I guess we'll be doing DP. Right, I haven't been doing much Leetcode lately because of my exams and the season that it is. But yeah, let's start. Let's start. Happy New Year to everybody who's in chat. Let's go. Got offer? Yes, bro, I did. Yes, bro, I did. For internship, yep. Yes, I did. Okay. Let's close Discord. We don't need Discord as of now. Honestly, like, okay, let's take a look at the POTD. I hope it's a good one. It's the last POTD of 2025. It's a goddamn hard question. Last day we can still. Yo, is it that question that somebody on some stream recommended me to do? This is binary search plus BFS, right? Yes, it's BFS. नेबर को चेक करके अपडेट करते हैं. BFS. Yeah, this is binary search plus BFS, right? No fucking way. Congrats, man. Thank you, bro. Thank you. TP Gaming is here. Happy New Year, bro. Happy New Year. Yeah, this question is crazy. We will not be doing this question. So what it requires you to do is you need to check what is the maximum possible day at which you can still cross, right? And to check whether you can cross, you apply BFS. And to find the maximum possible day, you apply binary search. You have a search space. If you can cross on day number X, you can cross on day number X minus 1. There is the monotonicity. I said it. No, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. We would rather be doing DP. We would rather be doing DP. In fact, let's go with CSES problem set. Right, I remember I was doing a problem here, dice combination, that I failed utterly for some reason. Okay, I need to log in, I guess. Pradesh, what was my password? For some reason this was failing. Maybe I was not doing modulo. Wait, maybe I was not doing modulo. No, I am. Why was it failing then? Like, look at this test case. For 7, it's... Bro, what? TLE. Okay, TLE is because I need to hash. But why was I getting a wrong answer? Yeah, so let's rather focus on DP today. Dude, how are you? Need some motivation? Well, I'm good. You need some motivation? Need some motivation? Okay, what year are you in? Are you like in your first year, second year? What year are you in? Was it off campus? No, it was on campus. Let's go. Yep, let's go. But yeah, like, can we take a moment to reflect on how this year went for you guys? Like, now my college life ends. I'll be starting my this corporate bullshit journey. And to be honest, if I have to rank, you know what, let's talk for a minute. If I have to rank, I've been existing on this planet for about 21 years now. I was born in 2004. Okay. And if I have to rank my most significant years, you got placed? Yes, I did. If I had to rank my most significant years, I would say 2022 was number one because in there I gave JE, in which I doomed. I didn't get good results, of course. That's why I resulted in a stupid college. And after 2022, if there's any other year, I think it's going to be 2026. Yep, because in 2026, it's going to decide my career trajectory. I'll try my best to not stop doing DSA. Age, I am 21. I was born in 2004. Bro, it's cold as hell. Okay. Wait a second. Just a second. Okay, right. So after 2022, I feel like 2026 is going to be my second most significant year of my life. Because in 2022, I gave JE. That was a big event. And today, in 2026, I'll be starting my corporate journey. That's going to be another big event of my life. आज डीपी के 10 क्वेश्चन लगाओ, साथ में मैं भी लगाऊंगा. डीपी के 10 क्वेश्चन तुम्हारी वजह से पढ़ाई पढ़ाई हो रही है, ब्रो. Okay, then let's do DP. Rose life, bro. My ensems are going on. कहाँ हुई placement है? Just wait a few days. I'll update it on my LinkedIn, bro. Just wait a few days. 19 chance है. Where did you get placed? I'll reveal it on LinkedIn, bro. I'll reveal it on LinkedIn. Okay. Wrong answer. Yeah, let's just work on this notepad. Okay, let's focus on solving this question. This was the question. Although the question statement is pretty straightforward, I still don't know. My camera is. Oh, I didn't even change my camera. I'm sorry. Yeah. Wait. लमाओ, आपका सैलरी कितना है? Bro, at least let me start joining. क्या हुआ, ऑफर लेटर नहीं दिया क्या? No, bro, I got it today. I got the offer letter not today. I think day before yesterday or yesterday. Okay, let's write the logic from scratch. Okay. Your task is to count the number of ways to construct sum n by throwing a dice one or more times. Each throw produces an outcome between 1 and 6. Okay, so the question is saying we are given an n. We want to find out how many ways can we make that n from dice throws. That's pretty straightforward. W role. It's the role is technical analyst. TCS Ninja. Nah, bro, I'm not TCS Ninja. It's technical analyst. Okay, so if we were given a 4, the first number could be 1. The first number could also be 2. The first number could also be 3. And the first number could also be 4. If it's 4, then we reach zeros. So we basically need to count how many ways can we reach 0. In how many ways can we reach 0? That's essentially what we want to count, right? From 1 we'll reach 3. 3 से हम 1 2 3 माइनस कर सकते हैं, 1 2 3 ऐसे कर सकते हैं. So we basically want to count how many ways can we reach 0. So then why was I not able to solve it last time? Let's try solving it right now. Int solver. Let's make sure we don't overflow in here. Your task is to count the number of ways to construct n by throwing a dice 1 or more times. Each throw produces an outcome between 1 and 6. Okay. The only input line has an integer n. Print the number of ways modulo 10, 9 plus 7. Okay. Constant or hashtag define mod as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, this is our mod. We're going to take in an int x. What we wanted to do is, okay, I think I have the logic. For int I equals to 0. Wait. Yeah. If x equals to 0, return 1. Int answer equals to 0. For int I equals to 1, I less than or equals to, I less than equals to minimum between. Why do we even have to do that? I less than equals to 6, I plus plus. Okay, now we call int temp equals to solver. Int temp equals to solver x minus I. If no, we only subtract when the number is smaller than or equals to. If I is less than equals to x, then we do this. Bro, what am I doing? Okay, then we do this and we add that to our answer, and answer percentage equals to mod. Return answer. This should be it. Where was I going wrong then? Theta ki sheet lagao. After this question, bro, thumbnail. I mean, it's the truth, bro. What is your opinion on LLMs? Is that all hype, or is it actually going to have an impact on jobs? I'll be honest, I'm as clueless as you. I'm no expert, bro. I'm as clueless as you. भाई 2026 में तो दुनिया खत्म है, CF पे एक्सपर्ट बन के और फार्म में जॉब का सपना ही रह गया. क्या करे ब्रो? CF पे एक्सपर्ट तो बहुत दूर की बात है, bro. At this point, I'm just aiming for a night on Leetcode. If I become a knight, I'll be happy. Let's like think of a honest roadmap here. If I do regular Leetcode, I feel like I can reach knight in 2 months. I'm currently, wait, did we have rating update? What is it today? No, it's Wednesday. Okay, it's Wednesday. So no, what is my current rating? I am 1741, right? 1746. Okay, so if I do regular Leetcode for about 2 months, I feel like I can reach. Honestly, feel like I can. Yep, you can. But I'll have to grind. Yep, you can 100%. Thank you, bro. Thank you. But I would have to grind. See, I'm scared that when I actually start my intern, I might reduce my Leetcode frequency. That's what scares me, bro. Only +2. +2. What do you mean? What do you mean +2? Pradeep, you got a +2? क्या जॉब के बाद भी स्ट्रीमिंग कंटिन्यू रखोगे? फार्म कंपनी या मास्टर्स एडमिशन होने तक? I have honestly no clue. I have no clue, bro. But how much time it will? I'll try my best. To stream, but I don't know if I would be able to do it regularly. For night 18, 15, 80. Yep, I know. I got only +2 this week. We didn't get our rating update as of yet. 1748 to 1742. Oh, we actually did get the update. Why did I not get a notification? What is this UI? Weekly contest 482. Bro. Okay, so in 482, I got a +4. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. We got. Why is your UI different? Yeah, I don't know why is my UI different. Maybe I'm a beta tester or something. And this is trash, by the way. I prefer the old UI. Why is my UI different? Like, why is it not showing the rating? It's not showing my rating. What? Yeah, that's crazy. Okay. Bro, how much time it will took me to become knight? My rating is 1467, doing DSA for 6 months, for 3 months. If you want me to be honest, in today's era, it has become increasingly tough to become a knight because of all that cheating. And if you want to reach knight with all due honesty, it's going to take at least 3 more months of consistent grind. Maybe because I'm alpha, they changed you. They showed only to beta. Yeah, he's using Chrome. I mean, Chromium-based browser. Yep. So, what browser are you guys even using? Okay, let for a second. Let's focus on this question. Wait, you guys must not be able to see me code, right? Let me come here. Int main. Int main. Int x. Let's call x as 7. Let's see what the output for 7 is. Cout solver x. Okay, I was getting a wrong answer on 7, right? For 6 and 7, I was getting a wrong answer. I was getting 32 for some goddamn reason. I think it's probably happening because I'm counting some duplicate. Yeah, I think it's probably happening because I'm counting some duplicates, right? I must be counting some duplicates. That's why I'm getting. Okay, I'll have to think about that. Yeah, that has to be the only reason. I'll need to eliminate some duplicates. Why is it not running? 63. I'm getting 63 correct output. Oh, no. Yo, it's working fine now. Correct output is 63. I'm outputting 63. Okay, that's correct. So let's just then hash it and submit it. Let's just hash and submit this. Unordered map of int hash, and if hash, what am I doing? Hash dot find x is not equal to hash dot. Bro, I can't type in Delhi winters. Return hash of x, and we can say hash of x equals to answer. This should actually be correct now. I don't see where am I going wrong now. I placed in CGI? No, bro. Also, there is UI changes. They may change something in contest also. Okay. भाई मेरा दोस्त guardian है. 11 contest देखे and he did it with 600 submission and 459 problem solved. Man, can't even solve 2 sum without remembering the solution. Nah, bro. If you're struggling with 2 sum, there are some fundamental issues. If you're struggling with 2 sum, that's crazy. But I'm stuck on arrays. I solved 100 in arrays. Still not confident enough. Don't know how to proceed ahead. So can you guide me? You're stuck on arrays? Bro, just get started with different problems. That's how I went. Arrays में पढ़ने के लिए तो पूरी दुनिया का, लेकिन आगे भी तो पढ़ो. Bro, one help, whenever you get time, please tell me, how do you request users for their data from their Insta? From their Insta? Oh, so you want to scrape some data from users' Instagram account? Congratulations, bye for 1K. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Change the description. You got job. Yeah, that's actually correct. I should change it. That's actually correct. Okay, let's see if this is working right now. Let's see. Okay, now I got an error. Unordered map int hash. What's the error? What am I doing wrong here? What am I doing wrong here? Unordered map of int. I'm calling it hash. It's a global variable. Yo, see, that's why I hate Notepad. I'll install that VS Code extension that people were recommending me to. Okay, let's just pass it as hash Okay, we'll get in hash here. What am I doing? It's going to be passed by reference. I used to struggle a lot during my initial days, this by reference, and the temp is solver comma hash. It should work now. It should work. Okay, let's see now. If it doesn't work, I'm breaking my screen. 63, yeah, it's working. So let's try to submit this. Bro, that cheater motherfucker is guardian, bhai. I don't know where they got it. What is his profile? Tell me his profile. Progress on your extension. Oh yes. On my extension. Yeah. See. Okay, let me just show you guys. I have a very, very cool feature in my mind that honestly I wanted to complete it by today so that I could show it on stream. But yeah, bro, I could not because last night I was actually working on some other project wherein I had to work with Gemini API and it fucking was such a pain in the ass. Google API is the worst. There are literal models that have been retired. They retire model. Like I had to go through the entire documentation only to learn that the model I was using was retired. That was why I was getting so many errors. So on my extension, although I'm still in the progress, I haven't added a new feature. I've just made some little changes. Like people were giving me. Let's not look at this. Let's look at some other profile. Yeah, this is a cheater's profile, right? So initially I was tagging them as cheaters, but now I just give factual information because tagging somebody as cheater is stupid. It could backfire. So right now I have changed that. I just now show was there a external paste or not. Large paste, small paste. Okay. That's a very small change. I know that's nothing crazy. But yeah, I have a very cool feature in my mind that I could not implement. But I'm 100% sure I'll implement it by the next stream. And I'll show you guys. It's very cool, bro. That's the progress. Also, can you tell in short what is GraphQL? Okay, so GraphQL, of course, you could find better definitions over the internet, but in my limited knowledge, GraphQL is just a type of like we have REST APIs, right? In REST APIs, we have different multiple endpoints. Every endpoint returns data. Every endpoint has their own format, get request, put request, and every endpoint return a fixed amount of data. It needs some parameters. It might need some like ID and all that. You send a request, you get some data. In GraphQL, there's only it's that type of API wherein there's only one single endpoint, a single endpoint for every data that you want. Now, how do you uh, differentiate what data do you want from that single data point, from that single endpoint? You write a query, a single data point, but you write a query which defines what data do you want. So you are not overfetching, you are not underfetching, you're getting the exact data that you want. That's GraphQL. Today I hit my 1000th question on Leetcode. That is crazy, bro. That is crazy. Congratulations. 1000th question on Leetcode is crazy. ID Mr. Tagore. Okay, let's take a look at this guy's ID. What is Pudish? Oh, that's just a random name I have given to the dog that lives in my street. And now I really like that name. I gave him that name about 4, 5, 6 years ago. This guy's a guardian in 11 contests. Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, let's take a look. If at all, if he's doing external paste, we're not. Bro, 22 rank, I'm pretty sure he's cheating. See, I don't want to say it because then people say it might backfire. Yo, he's actually doing external pastes. He's actually doing external pastes for 22 rank, for 116 rank. Another external paste. You guys can see it, right? Yep. All external pastes for 443 rank. Large paste, small paste, large paste. So I wouldn't actually believe. What's his name? Mr. Tagore. What was his rank? Mr. Tagore, 22 rank. Why is he not visible then? 22. Why is he not visible here? Tagore. Bro, what? Mr. Tagore. This contest, right? 445. 22 rank. Why is he not visible if he attained a 22 rank? Was he banned? 22, bro, that guy is a cheater, man. Of course he is. Also, I recently knew that Leetcode third question was exactly repeated. Yeah, in the last contest, right? How do you know what is a large paste and a small paste? I've just used I've just used a threshold. I've just used a threshold. Anything over 500 characters is large paste. Below that is a small paste. That's how I'm doing it. Okay, we have another profile. Yeah, he got banned. So this guy's a cheater, bro. I don't know why. If it's so easy for me to identify that these guys are cheater, why don't Leetcode ban them? Leetcode cheater detection system is so ass. Ramalu. Ramalu. I want to become proficient in DSA, doing in CPP in parallel to CP. Okay, learning web dev and AIML with a great zeal. He is from Bit Misra. That is a crazy good college. Okay, again, 585 questions. That's insane. Although I want to be diplomatic, but I feel like you could have a higher rating. But I'm pretty sure you're not cheating. So props for that. Props for that for not cheating. Let's take a look. Anyways, because that's just like at this point a formality. I'm 100% sure. Yeah, it's all manual typing. So congratulations for attending contests fairly. But I feel like you could have a higher rating, bro. Good consistency. 330 questions. That's good. That's crazy, bro. Damn, that graph is crazy. Yup, the graph is crazy. Okay, I'll watch another profile just a minute later. Let me try submitting this question. I need to save this, right? I need to save this. We'll have to rather take in x as input. Int x c in x. That's all we have to take in an input, right? Yep. Yo, why is it not? Okay, I need to file save as. What was that Leetcode extension wherein you could do it directly? Trial CPP from my desktop. Okay, let's try to submit it now. Submit. I did everything right. I did modulo. And all that, and yeah, I took an input. Yeah, it should work. Choose file from my desktop is going to be trial cpp.cpp. Yeah, let's submit this. I hope this runs, bro. Okay, this is the old code that I have written. I didn't delete them, except it. Yo, did it run? Did it run? Oh, it did. Boom. First question done. Uh, Kanak Tanwar Pro, one of my college friends. Check him. Okay, let's check him. Bro, is your extension open source? Like, I want to try. Yeah, just go to my GitHub. You can download it. It's all open source. We can actually work on it together. Clone it, like erase a PR, and we can work on it together. And next time he never share ID. WIW. Yup. It's all. I have a very very cool feature that I wanted to implement it by today, but I could not, bro. I feel so sad about that. Kanak Tanwar Pro. 1900. 47 contest. I don't think so. He's cheating, bro. Kanak Tanwar. He's actually a pro. He looks like a pro, but he hasn't been consistent. When was the last contest he gave? In May. Let's try, bro. I don't think so. I doubt he's cheating. Let's look at this 3000 ranked contest. Yo, there was a small paste of 300 characters. I just hope it's a template that he used. You know what? Let's check it. 3240, 3240 rank. Let's check in this one. Manual typing. In just one question, he achieved 1000 rank. Maximum weighted KH path. Okay, probably he did the fourth question now. Okay, that was the fourth question. Yeah, he's pretty legit, bro. He's pretty legit. GitHub link. Honestly, yeah, I should be sharing my GitHub link. Oh, bro, why do I always send it? I'm stupid. GitHub link for my extension. Bro, why doesn't it let us type in multiple lines? Like I'm pressing shift plus enter and it fucking GitHub link for my extension code lead. Yeah, that's working. I'll pin that pin message. Yep. I'm your sixth subscriber, remember me? Absolutely, bro. Athar was probably one of the very first guy that subscribed to me, Athar, bro. And he's here. I mean, of course, it hasn't been like I've become viral or anything. But yeah, I do remember Athar, bro. You don't come on the stream regularly, though. भाई ऐसे करके बोर नहीं होते क्या? Opportunity ही नहीं मिलती ऑफ कैंपस तो. I honestly do it for fun. I focus on contests. I want to increase my rating. Is this CSES platform good? I'm trying it out myself. I don't know, bro. I feel like till this time, I think it's good. DP after graph or before? DP after I did DP before graph. Graph though it's one of my uh the last topics I ever did. अभी भी पूरा नहीं हुआ है. Okay, there's another. Okay, this is the last ID that I'm checking. फिर I'll do another question. Krish Saini, 777. You're in which semester? I'll graduate 2026. My seventh semester is over. Not over. I have my last end sem on 2nd of January. Then from 19th I'll have my intern. Is there something like Leetcode, Code for Dev would love to do this way, love to do it this way? I wish there was. There is not. I wish there was. Yo, who the hell thinks that this guy is what I aspire to be? If there was no cheating, he would have been a guardian already. But because so many people cheat, his rating, I guess, dropped. Krish Saini, DSA, I'm dedicated to mastering. Crazy, crazy profile. I wish I was like him. I want to be like him. 2100 rating, 850 questions solved. Let's compare, bro. This is where I am, and this is where I want to be. It's going to take at least one more year of consistency, I'm pretty sure. It's going to take in at least one more year. Yep. What is this hashtag 3 on my profile? That's just YouTube feature of who are the most frequent people in the chat. You are placed, yes I am. Mera graph bacha hai, is this necessary to do? I mean, yeah, that's an important topic. मतलब डिजिक्स्ट्रा वगैरह तो कर लो ना, डाइजेक्स्ट्रा or whatever, however you may pronounce it. वो तो पूछ ही लेते हैं. Okay, let's do another question now. Let's do another question. CSES problem set for DP. First one, minimizing coins. Consider a money system consisting of n coins. Each coin has a positive integer value. Your task is to produce a sum of money x using the available coins in such a way that the number of coins is minimal. Okay, you want to consider a money system consisting of n coins. Each coin has a positive integer value. Your task is to produce a sum of money x using the available coins. If the coins are 157 and the desired sum is 11, an optimal solution is 5 plus 5 plus 1. We cannot, of course, we cannot do greedy here, because if we did greedy, we'll subtract 7 and then we'll try to subtract 5, but that would make it 12. We want to make it 11. So, of course, it's DP. Yeah, pretty straightforward. But, bro, making after decent ranking, then what's your plan? I don't know, bro. What's my plan after a decent ranking? I have no idea. I have no idea. I saw your stream in October and you've made a lot of progress since then. Have I? I kind of doubt that. I don't think so. In contests, yeah, I have. Your Pius is there. What's up, bro? What's up? Pick not pick. Yeah, it's a pick not pick. Yeah, it's pick not pick. Why not 5 plus 6? 5 plus 6 because that is not the coins we have, right? We have coins 1 and 5 and 7. We want to make 11 in the minimal possible number. Minimal possible number. So in here, and we don't want to mod, right? You know what? Let me not be overconfident and let's actually, for once, this is right. What am I doing? Right, so we had 11. We can subtract 1. We can subtract 5. We can subtract 7 from it. Now we get 10. Okay, now we get 6 here, and now we get 4 here. Okay, now we get 4 here. See, I'm so bad at basic maths. We can do all of this again and again. What we want to see is for every branch, we would require the minimum child. For every branch, we would require the minimum child, and only child. See, there could be a case like if we did not have a 1 here, if we did not have a 1 here, then this could never be made 0. So this should then return -1. Okay, 2 cases here. Is it somehow similar with the coin change problem? I guess. Yeah, I guess. I kind of. It looks like. Are you playing police? Yes, I am, bro. I fortunately am. Okay. So we'll take enough. Again, it's going to be a function in solver. Shall I zoom in? My code is visible now. Let me come on this side. Okay. Int solver is going to take in an integer x. Int x. Okay. Now, if x equals 0, we return 0. अगर x 0 है, तो you don't need anything. You don't need anything. Now there is also a case कि आपका जो रिमाइंडर बच रहा है या x बन रहा है that is smaller than every possible number that you have. कितने coin? What is the maximum number of coins we can have in our coin system? We can have 10 raised to 6 coins. The number of coins and the sum of desired and the sum of money. Oh, we can have 100 coins. Okay, no. Okay, it can at max be 100 coins. At max, it can only be 100 coins. So we'll be getting a vector int of coins. Okay, now we'll iterate over every coin for int coin of coins. Okay, for int coin of coins, continue streaming for at least 2 more months. Motivates. Bro, I enjoy it too. But I am not really sure if I'll get the time. I'll do it on weekends. I'll try to do it on weekend. What's the designation? Technical analyst. You have more than 200 plus views, only 1 like by me, bro. Krishna, the only truth, the absolute bro. That here is. He liked the video. He liked the video. Make a DP array with each and Rohan actually gave a very beautiful idea. See, that's where I always suck. Anytime I'm trying to do DP, I'll do recursion plus memoization. But he just gave the absolute brilliant idea for that tabulation. What he said is, let's say we had 1, 5, and 7. Okay, now we make an array up until 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. What is the minimum number of moves you would require for one? Now we'll fill in with the moves. कितनी moves चाहिए होगी ये नंबर बनाने के लिए? 1 बनाने के लिए एक ही मूव चाहिए होगी, बिकॉज यू कैन मेक इट विद द कॉइन 1. फॉर 5 के लिए भी एक ही मूव चाहिए होगी, फॉर 7 के लिए भी एक ही मूव चाहिए होगी. नाउ हाउ डू यू अपडेट अदर वैल्यूज? हाउ डू यू अपडेट अदर वैल्यूज? अब जैसे 2 बनाने के लिए, ऑफ कोर्स वी नो कि 2 बनाने के लिए वी वुड नीड 2 कॉइन्स, बट व्हाट्स द लॉजिक बिहाइंड इट? लेट्स से हमारे पास 1 था ही नहीं. Let's say we did not had 1 and we rather had 3. If we had 3, तब ये 0 होगा, ये 0 होगा. This would be 1. Okay. This would be 1. This would be 1. अब हमें पता है 4 बनाने के लिए we'll check. Bro, but what's the logic here? How do we update states? 4 बनाने के लिए हम देखेंगे कि हम 3 बना सकते हैं. बना सकते हैं, लेकिन 3 के साथ हमें 1 भी बनाना पड़ेगा, वो नहीं बना सकते. So for 4 we'll have 0. For 6, one way we can do it is कि हम जो यहाँ से जो 1 है ना, इनके डबल को सीधा 2 कर दे. कि 6 को बनाने के लिए we'll need 2 coins, 10 को बनाने के लिए we'll need 2 coins, 4 को बनाने के लिए we'll need 8. What's the update logic here? I'm kind of confused. I did we mind to code lead नहीं चल रहा. Wait, why is it not working? Why is code lead not working? Code नहीं चल रहा. सब इंस्टॉल किया. Happy New Year guys, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Why is code lead not working? What's the issue? Last question, which company? Okay, Karan, that is a significant question and I'll announce that on LinkedIn in a few days. Happy New Year. Is you serious about content creation field or just doing for fun? As of right now, just for fun. How bhaiya? How to improve problem solving approach? Why CP is needed? Benefits. I am myself trying to improve, bro. Like you could see, I'm struggling with this question, this tabulation form. Okay, then let's try to do with recursion plus memoization. After that, I'll try to shift on the tabulation form. But that looks pretty like a better question. Okay, now in here, what we're going to do is every coin, that is, we'll subtract every coin and the answer equals to -1. And answer equals to 0. In the end, if answer equals to 0, we return -1. एंड में आंसर 0 हुआ, मतलब आपका ये जो कॉइन है ये सबसे ही छोटा है, तो तब हम -1 कह देंगे कि भैया ये रिटर्न ही नहीं, ये बन ही नहीं सकता, ये बन ही नहीं सकता. ठीक है. इफ कॉइन इज लेसर देन x इन वेज equals to solver of x minus coin and your coins and you can say answer equals to minimum between answer comma ways. That's how it's going to be, right? That's how it's going to be. Am I on the right track? राइट बॉटम पे नहीं आ रहा ऑप्शन. क्यों नहीं आ रहा ऑप्शन ब्रो? राइट बॉटम पे आना चाहिए. इसमें टू द गाय हु इज ट्राइंग टू सी कोड लीड चल क्यों नहीं रहा? अपनी एक्सटेंशन टैब पे देखो, टेपर मंकी पे इट शुड शो कि लीड कोड डिटेक्टिव वाज एग्जीक्यूटेड. दिस इज द स्क्रिप्ट. अब मैंने ऑफ कर दिया ना, तो अब चला जाएगा. अगर टेपर मंकी पे ही नहीं चल रहा है तो देखो अब चला गया. टेपर मंकी पे पहले मेक श्योर इट्स रनिंग. यहां से डिड यू इंस्टॉल द स्क्रिप्ट? अब आ जाएगा. What's the question? It's this one. Share your interview experience. Bro, I had to give 9 goddamn rounds, out of which 9 rounds, right? First was the OA, then I had, after OA, I had my technical interview, then case study interview, then I had a psychometric round, then 2 offline, then 3 offline. I'll probably, that would take up another video, not right now. It was such a, because my offer even got hold for some time. Heist Gaming is there. What's up, bro? Heist. What's up? I think I have the logic here. Let's try running it on a test case. Let's say if we had a vector of, not int answer equals to solver. If we had to make 11 with 1 and 5 and 7, see out. Wait. Yeah, we had to write another condition. If base is not equals to -1, only then we consider it as a valid option. No. So I'm stupid. It's going to be answer equals to base equals to int temp equals to base plus 1, answer equals to minimum between temp and your answer. Temp and your answer. Yes, I think now the logic is correct. -1 जब नहीं होगा, मतलब आपको एक 0 मिला है. 0 मिला है तो आप उसमें +1 करोगे क्योंकि आपने एक करंट उससे भी माइनस करा है, फिर उससे मिनिमम. This should now work. Let's try to see what the answer for 11 and 157 is. What's the issue? X and vector int of coins. Does it want me to define a vector and then pass it? Vector int C 157. See, Notepad is so trash. I need to shift, bro. Now what's the issue? 372 line pe. Acha, I'm not returning any answer. Return. Ab challa, please. We're getting a minus. Oh my fucking god. Can you show your resume? Bro, my resume is trash. What the fuck? 9 rounds, it better be above 9 LP. Yeah, it is. It is. It is. How long have you been doing DSA? Seriously, for about 5-6 months. Bro, literally, one of my friends is in Microsoft because she smartly cheated. How? How do you reach? How do you reach? How do you reach Microsoft with cheating, bro? बालाजी विजेंद्र, कुछ टिप्स बोलो भाई आपके जैसा होने के लिए. Bro, what are you saying? मेरे जैसा होने के लिए? What do you mean? मेरे जैसा होने के लिए? Don't trust this guy. His trash is first place in University Lamar. Yo, shut up, bro. It's not. My trash is actually trash. ID review mine too. After this question, I'll review ID. And why can't I solve this at this point? What's happening here? If coin is less than, wait, we need to do less than equals to. Okay, that was my bad. Less than equal to भी तो होगा, तभी तो 0 आएगा. बेवकूफ. I'm pretty sure it's correct now. X minus coin and coins. If base is not equal to -1, temp equals to base plus 1, answer equals to minimum between temp and answer. अबे आंसर भी तो मिनिमम ही रहे. Int max. If answer equals to int max, then return -1. Bro, I'm doing all these silly mistakes. Like I'm in first year of college. Now we're getting 3. I'm pretty sure it's correct now. Don't review my ID. Bro, I don't remember your ID. That's the point, right? हो गया developer mode off था. Oh, okay, that I see. Oh, the fuck, this was basic. Yeah, this was. Why does YouTube extract? Like, his message was retracted. I don't have any moderation on my channel. I don't know how she cheated. How did she then? So you have, yeah, I've been doing past 6 months. How good are you? Like, many topics are still left to practice. Yep, I do have a lot of. I am 1750 rated on Leetcode. That you can now identify how good I am. Who get it? You're only checking coins where you're checking total sum coin having. I think so. Yeah, it's correct now. Do we have to return modulo? Print -1. Print -1. Okay. Yep. 311. Now we just need to take input. But let's try using some of our own 5 and 5 and 1. Let's say we had 10, 5 and 7. And we wanted to make 10, 5, 7 and 1. And we wanted to make 16. Not 16, let's say 17. The answer should be 2. We could make 10, 5. Let's write 2 here. So to make 17, we can go 10, 5 and 2. Or we could also go 10 and 7. The answer should be 2. Now let's see what the answer is. It should be 2. Yes, it's 2. I hope I'm not going to get overflow. No, I'm not. Let's just take in the input and submit this then. Int x comma n. N is the number of coins and x is your y. C in n, C in n and x. That's how they're asking, right? The first line has 2 integers n and x, the number of coins and the desired sum of money. The second line has n distinct integers. For int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, int temp, C in temp, C dot push back temp. I don't know if that's the most optimal way to take in an input. Answer equals to solver for x and c out answer. C out answer. This should now try LPPP. Let's try to submit it now. Let's try to submit it. Reply to my DM on Discord. Okay, I will after the stream. One of my senior in college has received an offer from DE of around 60 LPA, bro. And he has done around 13 questions in Leetcode and is guardian on lead. That makes sense, bro. What college are you in, by the way? That you are getting DE on campus. DE on campus is crazy. Trial CPP.cpp. Submit this. In tier 2 CSE after 5th sem after 5th. I don't know. In my college, there were a few companies that added a benchmark, not a benchmark, like a filter of the max it ever was 8 CGPA. So probably try to get around 8. ID be mine too. Okay. Otherwise, I'll review your ID. We're getting a TLE. Of course, I did not do hashing. I'm stupid. I did not do hashing. I am stupid. Unordered map of int, and hash. if hash dot find x is not equal to hash dot end return hash of x, and we can say int f answer equals to answer, f answer equals to -1, f आंसर इक्वल टू रिटर्न एंड में फाइनल आंसर ही हम रिटर्न करेंगे और हैश में फाइनल आंसर स्टोर कर दो, hash of x equals to f answer. I was not doing hashing and I also need to add hash here. No, what am I doing here? I also need to add hash here. Bro, this is so much work. Unordered map of int hash, and let's add it here. This should now work. Deja comes on campus, took only 2 students with 44 LPA. This year 47 got selected on Amazon. What college? Graphic Era University? Bro, in my opinion, that was a bad private university. But now you're making me regret it. साल के लास्ट दिन भी पढ़ रहे हो, मानना पड़ेगा कंसिस्टेंसी तो है ना ब्रो. It's just that I don't have any life. I don't have anything else to do. Atharv cheater है भाई. Yeah, see, okay, Atharv cheated, but I feel like everybody makes mistake. At this point, almost everybody is cheating. Hit some grass, buddy. It's New Year's Eve. You're probably right. After this, see, I can't even go to the gym. The gym is closed. I'll probably go for a walk. Which college are you in? I'm in Mate. Okay, now let's try to... I hope I haven't done anything wrong now. Okay, now let's try to submit it. Submit. Choose file. Trial CPP. Bro, please work now. Pending compiler. Bro, I could not... Unordered for a goddamn typo. Unordered map. Unordered. I hope there is no other. Int unordered answer equals to solver xc and hash. Now it should work. Unordered. I always make that mistake. Trial CPP. Let's submit this. Pending. Please work. 5692. Even after hashing, I got a fucking TLE. Even after hashing, I got a TLE. Even after hashing, I got a TLE. That's crazy. Why did I get a TLE after hashing? If hash.find x is not equals to hash.end, return hash.x. Bro, I'm getting a TLE even after hashing. Don't use unordered map. Your solution may not run every time as worst time complexity of unordered map is big of n. Oh, so should I just use a vector? Should I use a vector? You're probably right. Yeah, I think I should use a vector, right? Vector. See, that's so trash. Like, the logic is still the same. Vector int and hash. Not find, it's going to be hash of x is not equal to, let's say, -2. Return hash of x. Return hash of x. Okay. We'll need to make the vector int hash, and it's going to be of size x, right? It's going to be of size x. Let's keep it x plus 1, and Let's initialize it with -2. If x equal to 0, return 0. This should work now. We don't need this now. We don't need this now. It should work now. Let me try submitting it now. Oh my god, this is such a pain in the ass. Editing and then submitting. I need to install that extension that somebody suggested. Are you in made Delhi? Yes, I am. भाई कुछ नहीं, बस एक महीने का बैन है. सेकंड बैन में आईडी चले जाएगी. Oh, accepted. Yo, 2 questions done on the 31st of 2025. What do we do now? What do we do now? Just try making map once. भाई कुछ नहीं. Yeah, see, Athar bro, he made a mistake, but I feel like he has now learned from it. अब मत करना भाई cheating. That's the whole point. There's no use. You have a lot of time. There's no logic for you to cheat. Let's actually rather look at your profile. Bro just crossed Atharv Agre. Okay. 1,000 questions. That's crazy. And in just see, your heat map looks so clean. You've been doing every day 1,000 questions. Although I think you are doing an overkill on easy problems. Nobody needs 654 easy problems. But again, bro, salute for your consistency. 1,000 questions in how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months in just 160 days. Let's also take a look at your GitHub. And Ari pre-order traversal. Stone Games exact conversion. Perfect squares. Bro. These are so but okay, now I see. You probably do short questions because the codes are so small for every solution of yours. See? 26 lines. Stone Game. But yeah, 1,000 questions is goddamn crazy. Congrats, bro. Congrats on hitting 1,000. Yo, what is this question that you returned true and passed all the test cases? No way. It's a medium. I can return true and I can get. That's crazy. That's crazy. Notepad use करने का special reason. I just downloaded it. I thought it was like minimalist and good, so that's why. Is the Leetcode guy who cracked D-Shaw. He's in third year. He cracked it by internship. 2 fourth years guys got selected in D-Shaw by campus. Agarwal Shivam. I wish I was as dedicated as him. Sanjay Marathi, check mine. Okay. Let's check Sanjay Marathi next. Bro, don't mind, but 1,000 problems and 600 rating is kind of bad. I think you should give a thought and see where you're failing. See, the point is, he cannot participate in contest for another month. That's why. Nah, that makes sense, bro. It makes sense. But yeah, if I am really a cheater, would I really be cheating on easy problems? No, that makes sense. That makes sense. But the thing is, you have a lot of time. For those of you who don't know, he's not even in college. He's in his drop year. He hasn't even given JE. VS Code extension. Okay, let me download that VS Code extension. Okay, let's check Sanjay Marathi. We have 3 profile reviews. 3 profile reviews. After that, let's do one more question and end on a good note. Visvesiya technical 1881. No fucking way. Yo, who adds their Gmail to Leetcode? I've never seen that. 1881. Crazy rating. Look at his. This guy has probably never touched grass a day in his life. 365 days of consistent Leetcode. 73 contests. Bro, that is crazy. Let me connect with you on LinkedIn. Or am I already? Okay, I'm already connected with him on LinkedIn. You're from what college? Visvesvaraya Technology University. We have a metro station in Delhi with the same name. MS Visvesvaraya. I don't know. Anup Kumar Pandey. Okay, let's check this. Let's check this ID. Competitive programmer and a web developer. Okay. Why have you not made your solutions public, bro? That is a red flag. Like, what's even the obligation to hide your solutions? 657 questions. That is a crazy number. 280 hard, 329 easy. Okay. 288 medium, sorry. Okay. Can we see his contest history even though he has hidden his solution history? I think, yeah, we can. We can. No data. Okay, that was probably old data, so we can't scrape that. Anup Kumar Pandey, honestly, there's nothing much to review because you've not made your solutions public. Okay, let me use that VS Code extension that people were saying. Oh, no, 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 not here. See, that was the code for my extension. Focus on J. Yeah, J is goddamn the most important thing when you're in 12th. The most important thing when you're in 12th. I've rejected some famous in many government colleges already. Yo, that's crazy. Okay, another profile. Another profile on the last day of 2025. 1797. That's crazy. 297 medium question, 176 easy, and he watches anime. So therein he loses some points. I'm joking, but yeah, that's great profile, bro. 1797. So you are very close to becoming a knight. You are very close to becoming a knight. 28 contests. How many have I given? I've given about 18, 20, 21. I wish I reached the same rating as him in 9 more contests, right? No, 7 more contests. I need about 40 more. Mrityunjay, 2000 rank. Manual typing. Bro passes the code lead test. Bro is a legit DSA enthusiast. Okay. Sorry. I did not check Rehan. Let's check his and then do another question. We have solved 2 questions already. Okay. 39 questions. Rehan Ansari. So that means that you're just at the start of your DSA journey. Let's take a look at your majority. You did best time to buy and sell stock. Let's see your code. Yeah, pretty clean code. To some single number, majority element. Search in rotated sorted array. That is binary search, right? Let's take a look at your code. Okay, so you just did a O of n. Even after doing a linear search, you got 100%. What? Isn't this a binary search? Yeah, this is a binary search question. And he solved it in linear time. And still he beat 100% of solution. And I solved it using binary search. Did I? Yes, I did. I did. And I also got 100%. So that means there's no use of doing binary search here. Good profile, bro. Just started. Yeah. Stay consistent, bro. Check my chat. Where is your chat? I can't see your chat in the YouTube chat. I have Infosys SP role assessment on 4chan. Any experience you can share? SP is what, 9 LPA, right? SP is 9 LPA. What am I doing? SP Infosys. Bro, SP is, yeah, you need to have strong DSA. That's how I like remember. I have not given it, but you need to have strong DSA. Of course, that's a very generic advice that I gave you. Have strong DSA. Hindi aati hai? No, bro. I live in Delhi. Of course, I do know Hindi. Who was that guy that asked for SP role? Sanjay Marathi. Bro, honestly, you should check out some experiences, recent experiences online because I have never given that. Check my chat. Where do I check your chat? Your chat is not visible. Mayur, bro. Your chat is not visible. इंग्लिश बोलते रहते ना इसलिए पूछा ना makes sense. I still have binary trees and graphs and try left. I'm currently in second year. I will start back in sometime. Can you tell me some suggestion and mistake which I should not repeat? Okay, first of all, you have binary trees, DP and try. See, try is even I have not done try. Tell me what's your rating on Leetcode because there's one thing that you've done all theory and there's another thing that you've done actual practice. So what's your rating on Leetcode? How many questions have you solved on Leetcode? And all that. Can you make a tutorial video of your extension? I absolutely will. Once I add a few more features, I'll probably publish it on Chrome Web Store. I need to add a few more features, then I will. भाई Germany में जा रहे हो क्या? No, bro. Why? Why would I go to Germany? CP Judge. CP Judge. Yo, what extension that was? After seeing the Hack with Infosys question, I gave up on. Hack with Infi is all about who can cheat the best. Who can cheat the best? What was the extension Rohan gave, right? Why is his chat being retracted? Bro, YouTube sometimes is so. I've done 180 questions on Leetcode. Just started giving contests. Just started giving contests. Gay? What do you mean gay? 4 contests. Gave, okay. Gave 4 contests and will give every from now on. Minus 1481. Yeah, focus on questions more. Focus on questions more. CPH judge, okay. It's CPH judge. This. It has just 133 downloads. Why this extension? This would work for CSES, right? CPH. Oh, you probably are talking about this one. CPH. Right? You're probably talking about this one. How do one start DSA? Bro, there are already a lot of roadmaps available that will guide you better than me. You're talking about this one, right? It works for CF just fine. But for CSES, what about CSES? पुलिस तुमने मुझे वो दूसरा मॉड नहीं बनाया ना कम पावर वाला दिया है तो कोई मॉड मस्ती कर रहा कौन सा मॉड ब्रो नो कोई मॉड कर रहा होता तो दिख जाता मैसेज retracted is something else it works for that is something else that's just YouTube doing it on their own there's no other mod in the chat Divyansh Agarwal wala competitive programming helper oh 5 what I can see install this yes I trust him with my life install it now okay I've installed it how do we run this quick start install competitive companion in your browser this is for code forces will this work for CSES will this even work for CSES the one which I'm trying to do where is my chat will this even work so no अब ना एक CPP file बना okay let's make a CPP file as he says open folder okay let's on desktop let's make a DSA practice okay bro I'll need to create a folder let's make a DSA my computer is lagging DSA practice Okay, now open that. DSA practice. Okay. It's working. We make a CPP, test.cpp. Now what to do now? उसमें कोड लिखो and then test cases add कर सकते हो. Copy paste the CSES test cases and all set. Oh, okay. Oh, I now see. You should download competitive programming companion. For that, I think I use it for CF. Bro, I'm not doing CF right now. I mean, of course, that would be helpful, but I'm not doing CF right now. I'm doing CSES. Did you really write that 12.7k lines of code in Leetcode directive user.js? Or you use... See, first of all, you're using a distributive version. The one which you are seeing, वो तो npm run build करने से बनता है, ठीक है ना, जो सीधा प्रोडक्शन में यूज होता है. You should look at the other repo, and of course I used AI for help. If you're not using in 2026, it's 2026 now, if you're not using AI for help, then you are at a disadvantage. और you're looking at the गलत file. वो तो npm run build करो तो build होती है. That's everything in one file. भैया, what questions are you solving? CSES कर रहा हूँ bro. I'm doing CSES. Install competitive companion in your browser. Okay, let's download competitive companion. Companion extension. No thanks. Add to Brave. Add extension. Okay, it has been added. Now let's take a look. We have done minimizing coins, coin combination 1. We have to return the number of combinations. These are the ones that kind of pisses me off, bro. Each coin has a positive integer value. Your task is to calculate the number of distinct ways you can produce a money sum X. 225 is different from 252. I've done similar questions on Leetcode. अब extension option पे click करो and then CPH judge select करो. Extension option पे click करो. Competitive programming. I hope you're talking about this, right? इस extension option पे click करो ना. कहाँ पे? अच्छा. I'm sorry, bro. You might be raging at me. Installed here. I'm sorry, bro. I'm dumb. VS Code, bro. Yeah, I've done this. Hi, my chats aren't visible. It's visible right now. Go to VS Code now. Yes. VS Code पे कर दिया. अब अरे आया तो था. क्या आया था? क्या आया था? I didn't even see. यहाँ गया एक्सटेंशन में कंपेटिटिव प्रोग्रामिंग. यहाँ गया टेस्ट CPP. Yo, I might just be the dumbest man on this planet. अरे नहीं, उस लिस्ट में लास्ट ऑप्शन. Do it again. Bar graph, bro. भाई ग्राफ ऑप्शन इन लेफ्ट मेन्यू बार. अच्छा, this. Oh, I can see it. Create problem. How do we create problems now? Create problem, input and expected output. Acha, now I just copy. First you click on the extension, then go to VS Code, then you can select file you want to create. Oh, I understand this now. Input is 39. Acha, ye input hai. Input is this. And expected output is 8. Right. This is how it works, right? This is how it works. That's it. Now in the problem page, select the extension. ठीक है, मैं यहाँ problem page पे गया. Competitive companion पे I'm clicking it. Nothing happens. Nothing happens, bro. Then go to VS Code. I'll just look up a tutorial. I'll just look up a tutorial. I know people must be raging in the chat right now. And select the language. Lamau. Now write code here and click run. Okay. Hashtag include bits stdc++.h. Bro, अरे फिर आया था. Bro, क्या आ रहा है? I can't understand. कहाँ आ रहा है? I might just be the dumbest man on this planet. ठीक है, मैंने क्लिक करा है. Now I go to VS Code. Oh, CPP. I get it now. I got it. सब हो गया. कोड लिखो. Bro, I'm sorry. I'm dumb. I'm sorry. And we write the code from scratch, right? This is what you guys were trying to tell me. Finally. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Now you get the test cases automatically. Now I understand it. Dhanyavad, bro. Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad to everybody. Now let's try to solve this. Enough of bullshit. Bits slash stdc ++ .h using namespace std in main. Okay. Okay. The question was coin combinations. We have to find the distinct ways. Now let's actually focus on the question. I think this is the last question I'll do for today. It's New Year, bro. Yeah. If the coins are 2, 3, 5 and desired sum is 9, there are 8 ways. So what essentially here is, remove this bullshit. 9 बनाना है from 2, 3, 5. 9 बनाना है 2, 3, 5 से. अगेन हम माइनस करेंगे. इसमें होगा क्या, हमें इसके चाइल्ड का कैलकुलेट करने पड़ेंगे जहां जिस चाइल्ड का लीफ नोड 0 होगा. दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. जितने ऐसे चिल्ड्रन होंगे जिनका लीफ नोड 0 होगा, आपको वो कैलकुलेट करना है. दैट इज इट. लीफ नोड 0 मतलब कि आप फाइनल एंड में 0 तक पहुंच पा रहे हो. दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. int solver, so it's going to take in an int x and it's going to take in a vector. Should I increase my font size? I think I should. Font size, yep. Let's probably make it 20. Okay, let's make it 20. Right. Int x and a vector of int coins. What's the problem? And submit the file. I get it. Now you will write in VS Code. Just click run and they will tell you whether it's correct. Last, me just copy paste the fucking code. Lol. Thank you for being patient with me. Thank you. You can split screen, so left me you can see the problem. Split scene. Okay, that's another point. Just do control plus. Control plus करने से bro ये left वाला भी भर जाता है. That's why I did not do it. Bro, my cat flew out of the window. Did it actually? I mean, you started lead coding in my 4th year itself. Okay, now let's focus on this problem. इसमें क्या होगा? If bro, this is so much fun now. I can finally see colors. This is so much fun. If x equals to 0, तो return 0, ठीक है? If x equals to 0, we return 0. Let's give it by reference. अब क्या करेंगे? We'll go for int coin of your coins. For int coin of your coins. But we have to make sure we not. What if we don't want to count duplicates, right? Triple two plus 3. Okay, let's think about duplicates later. Let me at least write the basic functionality of coin. If coin is less than equals to x, पिछले की तरह ही होगा, पिछले की तरह ही होगा. In answer equals 0. Wait. हमें इसमें क्या कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा? Bro, I'm again getting goddamn confused. You can also create a template and save it, and need not write include all the time. Oh, I see it. Okay, so this is how CP people do it. We'll suggest you to start making your own template. GPT is a simple one वाले starting में. लगता है मुझे भी streaming start करनी पड़ेगी. Absolutely, bro. Start it. Use DP where? Bill Clinton algorithm? What the hell is that? Bill Clinton algorithm? Okay. Now इसमें क्या होगा? इसमें क्या होगा? Let's have a bool smallest equals to true. इसको कर दो smallest equals to false. एंड में कर दो कि अगर आपका करंट एलिमेंट इफ स्मॉलेस्ट ट्रू है तो यू रिटर्न -1. मतलब ये तो जीरो कभी बन ही नहीं सकता, ये जीरो कभी बन ही नहीं सकता. ठीक है ना? हाँ, दिस इज जस्ट वर्क अराउंड. अब क्या करना है? इंट वेज इंट टेम्प इक्वल्स टू सॉल्वर करो. सॉल्वर यो x equal to 0 पे ना, I think we should return 1. int temp equals to solver between x minus coin and your coins. ठीक है? If temp is not equals to -1, then we can say answer plus equals to temp. बस return answer. Now I think, yeah, this is the logic. Let's actually 3 and 9 क्या है यहाँ पे? 9 बनाना है. अच्छा, int n x cn n x vector int error for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, int x cn x error dot push back x. That's it. And now int answer equals to your solver में आप डालो x comma x नहीं यार, let's make it x bro, that sounds sus. Yeah, never mind. X or what do we need? Error. See out answer. Let's see if this is working. Game खेले आज कितना पड़ेगा? That's actually a very smart. We can actually play Scribble. After this question. आप सब लोग कौन से कॉलेज से हो और कौन सी ईयर में हो? 4th year from IIT ढोलकपुर. Okay, it's working. So should we play Scribble? Or Clash Royale? If ढोलकपुर, I'm asking from real. Bro, I'm from a tier 3 no name college. IIT हल्दिया. भाई मेरी chat पढ़ो. Mayur bro, I cannot see your chat. I don't have any project on resume. What should I do? See, this is a very secret advice. If you don't have projects on your resume, you should make it. What's the point, bro? If you don't have projects, the only way you can handle that situation is you make projects. Are you from Pune? No, I'm not. Okay, so Would you guys be down to play Scribble? You should copy the projects. I mean, people do it. That's not rare. I just built a great project, an AI to-do list app. Did you? Share. If you've deployed it, share the link. Okay, this is working. Let us also make in a hash and then submit it. I'll submit it vector int arr. It's going to be of size jitne coins hai, right? N plus 1 and minus 2. If hash of x is not equals to minus 2, return hash of x and hash of x equals to minus 1, and now you can say hash of x equals to answer, hash of x equals to answer, right? यहाँ पे भी hash दे दो आप, यहाँ पे भी hash दे दो. Okay, यहाँ पे भी hash दे दो. Bro, it's highlighting my errors. Okay, ARR दोगे यहाँ पे. Now let's run it. Delhi का लौंडा है. Yes bro, I'm from Delhi. College Wi-Fi ने gaming website ban. What sort of bullshit college is that? My roommate gave OA at Visa. Was it on campus? Okay, let's play Scribble. Vector int ARR 36 पे we are getting an error. 42 or 36 पे. Vector int ARR. What's the error here? Vector बनाया int का ARR. Oh, I declared it twice. Okay. अरे अच्छा. Oh, sorry. Let's call it hash, and then let's call it here like this. Okay, let's play Scribble, bro. By the way, is pollution really bad there? दिक्कत हो रही है. Absolutely, bro. This time it is goddamn crazy. The pollution here failed. Received output. अच्छा, number of coins थोड़ी. We'll make it for x plus 1. I'm stupid. My roommate Leetcode, check out. Okay, let's check his Leetcode. Let's check your roommate. Who is support police, BJP or Congress? I'll be honest. The first instance I get to leave this country, I leave it. So I don't support anybody. You tell me, guys, if you are given a chance to leave this country, will you not? Will you not? I would, bro. Okay, that's not even an ID. As movement ho gaya, bro. We will, exactly. So there's no point in this BJP and Congress. I just want the first chance to leave this country, and I will. Okay, it's working. Should I submit this or should we directly go on? You know what? Let's submit this. Choose file. Acha, it would now be in my what do you call it? DSA practice, right? DSA practice. Open. Coins combination. Open. Submit. Pending. Testing. 54. Red. User output 0. How am I getting a goddamn 0, man? Yeah, I'm not clearing this right now. I'm getting a 0. How am I even getting a 0? Yeah, let's leave that. Okay, let's not focus about that. This is Leetcode. Okay. Let me check that. I will for sure leave the country. Everybody will, bro. Wrong acceptance. Yep. Upskill, get a job, earn money, leave country. Yes. That is the all plan. Because see, no matter how much you earn, you may be earning 1 CR per annum. You may be earning 1 CR per annum. You might be living in the most posh area in Delhi, but at the end, you would still be breathing that same 900 AQI air that somebody from a slum is breathing. You cannot escape the environment. What's your age, bro? I'm 21. Okay, let's play Scribble, bro. Let's play Scribble. Enough yapping. CSES is goddamn stupid. They are giving me wrong answer. I don't know why. We'll now Scribble IO. Okay, I had the wrong spelling. Yeah, let's close CSES for today. We did 3 questions. I think that's it. Clash Royale. See, I can play Clash Royale. And laws ke to kya hi kehna exactly, bro. Leave the country, solve it. See, I think India is a great country. India is a great country. It has, but it needs to be admired only from a distance. Because you cannot admire a country while living in 900 AQI. You cannot admire a country while living in 900 AQI. Bro, we have politicians are not. Exactly, bro. Politicians are not, but great. Bro, we have a few ID requests. Okay, let me just quickly do them. And then we are playing Scribble. India is great, but the people are not. Of course, any country is built by their people. Nice man, your thoughts are perfectly aligned with me. I feel like in our generation, nobody really cares about these political party and all that. Especially for us engineers. What do we even need? We need a good job. We need good civic sense and we need a proper air to breathe in. And no party is giving that. Okay. Not your BJP, not your Congress. The only way to get that is to escape. That's how you do it. People in the sense, yep. Can you suggest me any project or YouTube videos for a project for resume, please? Bro, first of all, just make a full stack project. Go a full stack project with like an AI API call. That is the very basic. That so you can at least show that you can build a MERN stack project. Okay, let me look at this ID. Somebody's bro, what am I doing? Let me look at this ID. Leetcode DQ. I hope it's not a goddamn guardian. Yeah. So Shinchan has been lead coding. 1940 rating. 700 questions solved almost. Of course, there's no point for me to even check because he 100% is a genuine person, bro. Manual typing, yep. Salute, and I wish I can be like him one day. Although it's going to be a long, long time before I be even like half of what he is. But yeah, great. I'm newbie. The purpose of life of an Indian is to escape India. It can either be done by leaving India physically or figuratively. Yeah, bro. Especially Delhi. Delhi is not built to live anymore. Bro, let's play Scribble now. No. I'll have to create a. I'll have to create a. Okay. I'll have to create a private room, right? No. Create private room. Players. What's the maximum amount of players? Let's keep it 20. Language 20. Okay. Hints. You know what? Let's. Okay, yeah. Let game mode normal, hidden combination. 3. Hidden. Should we keep it hidden? What is hidden? What is hidden game mode? What even is hidden game mode, bro? Why earphones for Scribble? I don't know. Probably Yeah, I didn't realize why did I put on earphones. Invite people. Okay, somebody. Easy mat rakbas. Easy mat rakbas. Yeah, I'm not keeping it easy. Hints भी हटा दे क्या? चलो hints रख लेते हैं यार. It might just be too tough then. Do we have Hindi here? No, we don't. No, we don't. Normal. Okay, let's Let's do this. I've invited people. Gamer instincts. Gamer instincts. Yeah, you're right. Okay, join. I built a Flutter app that remembers your chat, PDF, and everything and mimics like a human brain. Like we forget the things which are not useful and always remember what is useful. It works like that. Bro, share the link. Share the link. That sounds crazy. We have 4 people. Should I also play some music in the background? You know what? Let me also pop out the chat. Bro, we have how many people? Okay, quite a few people have joined. Let me also pop out the chat so I don't have to. Join guys fun anyways easy way. Yup. एक आईडी चेक करें Infinity 11 got 2011 LPA. Okay bro, he got 27 LPA. We need to check what's the deal. What's the deal with 27 LPA? What's the deal with 27 LPA? I can do anything and everything. Becoming better every day is my hobby. Yo, that's actually an inspirational quote. But he didn't lead code in 2025. 2000 rating is fucking crazy. We can't get his contest submission history. Of course, he's no data. Yeah, we can't get any data because. But that is crazy rating, bro. 2000 rating. What's his name? Piyush Garg. Even 4th question. Yeah, bro, he's legit, bro. Asking for some tips. That is crazy. I became pupil on code forces. Congratulations. Okay, let's start, bro. Let's start. Laptop पे खेलो. Start मत कर मुझे. Start मत कर. एक मिनट रुक जा मैं आता हूँ. He's a CP guy. Yeah, I can see. How you implemented tab switching feature in your project Leet 1? What do you mean tab switching? Bro, I'm starting. I'm starting now. Priya ka papa. Okay, what is that name? भाई draw करने में दिक्कत होगी. Bro, I'm on laptop, so I won't. You know what? We can actually play some songs in the background. Let's play some NC low-key chill. Bro, I don't want to show my YouTube recommendation. NCS background low-fi song, something like that. This is low-fi, right? Got copyright claim. The fuck? There's no actual low-fi song. Okay, let's not do that. Let's start. Extension, the one you're using. You still look at your keyboard while. Yeah, I'm noob. Okay, we're starting. Yep. Let me pin this so I can always see the chat. Code Forces ID Curie. That is crazy. Ice cream. What is my guy even drawing? Oh, I can see. What? This might be the worst drawing of all time. Yo, bro. What is he even trying to draw here? N? Anshu, guess the word. Oh. Nah, but people will cheat from me. People will cheat from my guess. Would they not? DSA Paglu. Yo, who's DSA Paglu, bro? That's crazy. Sugarcane, nope. Okay, I think the guy who drew this. Okay, my English is trash. Is probably on phone. I got a 410. Queue of people group. Code Forces ID Curie. Bro, I'll check that later. came out to be goated again. Yeah, very bad drawing. Okay, now let's see. What is it? What's this? Oh, Pakistan? What is he even drawing? Is it Leetcode UI? Yo, KK guess the word. What is this? Touch the... Bro, how are people guessing this? Kate? Oh, bro, yeah, I might just be dumb. I might just be dumb. Farm. Yeah, I get it now. It's farm. Yeah, honestly, good drawing. Good drawing. Good drawing to whosoever drew that. Uday is choosing a word. Until then, let me choose a song, bro. NCS background song. I hope it's like... Okay. What did... Okay, so this guy drew nothing. What even is this? Bad. Okay, on a side note, who all have a receding hairline? Because I have a receding hairline. Racist. Bath. Gas. DMK had Discord. Okay, bro, I'll see your DM. The guy who's drawing this B. Bush. But what is the color? Yo, who's the drawer? Who's drawing this? Who's drawing this? Bro, people are copying from me. People are copying from me. I can say that with 100% surety. Uday, bro. Since when did bush become pink in your area? I can either stream karne wale. Yeah, I'm about to end, bro. I'm about to end it. What time is it? 7:19, probably 5-10 minutes. Uday, hesitate, bro. Thanks, Pudish. Yeah, I knew Pradeep cheated, bro. I knew Pradeep. Game का नाम है Scribble आयो. Oh. Yo, people are guessing this. What? Shotgun. I got it. I got it. Pin the chat over the Scribble chat, you stream UI. Yeah, I did pin the chat. I pinned the chat. Bro, I'm leaving. Good night, everyone. Good night, bro. Happy New Year. Good night. भाई एक गेम और खेलो, मुझे भी खेलना है. Bro, just join using this link. Join this using this link. Join this link. Adesh, bro, join. Goku. That's Goku. What? What's this? Oh. Bro, I might just be slow. KK wrote GIRE. Good drawing. Good drawing, whosoever this was. Good drawing. Oh, lol. It kind of looked like him. Vikas, dislike your drawing, bro. This did not deserve a dislike. What did you mean? That's definitely not Goku. Okay, that might be. Well, I just want to make sure people do not see the word that I choose. Round 1 of 3. Hey, congrats, you got the off. Will you be sharing the company details now? I think I have to. There's no other option now. Afternoon, math, India. What even is this? Oh, I think I have it. Yo, why would it be America if you drew the Indian flag? Border. Oh, I can see. Yo, Anshu guessed it. Anshu guessed it. No. It's about immigration. I feel like. Bro. Donald Trump is American. Yo, what does this even mean? PR? Permanent resident? Procrastination? India, America, and a person. Oh, Donald Trump is America, so I get it. I'm dumb. DSA Paglu, okay. Bro, okay. Bro, can you review my project work in GitHub? Yeah, sure, bro. Google math. 3 divided maths. Yo, I can't guess it. I guessed math. There's also this YouTuber named DSA Paglu. I suspect it just might be her. I watch a channel. This was an easy word. Okay. Blackboard, black hole. What is this? What even is he drawing and how are people guessing? There's no way people can guess it already. Oh, no, Mickey Mouse? No, it's not Mickey Mouse. The fuck is he even drawing, bro? Gudda? Piggy bank? How is piggy bank not the teddy bear? You want me to believe that it was a teddy bear? Ye teddy bear hai kya? It looked like a long lost son of Jadoo from Koi Mil Gaya rather than a teddy bear. That was not a teddy bear. You can't convince me otherwise. That was not a teddy bear, bro. That looks like sheep exactly. Yo, I'll check your Code Forces ID, bro. Just not right now. Teddy bear of Mr. Bean. I see. DSAI. I am DSA and I am. How are people guessing? DSA and I am. DSA, right? He wrote DSA. I and I am. Bro, how are people guessing this word? I am POR. Important. Map. What? Oh, DSA is important. How did people... It got auto-selected. Oh, DSA is not important, guys. Yeah, believe Pradeep. It is not. I understand it now. Auto-select hua yaar. But that was the worst way to describe it. It's not paragliding. What is it? Bro, you guys should wait for my drawing. I might just draw a Mona Lisa at this point. Von glider? What? Wonder? Oh. Now people will cheat. We can see over easily if you draw. Wonder Woman, yep. I'll probably hide my screen. Yo, what is this? Van. It's not a van. What is this? How are people guessing this? Wait. Oh, vehicle. Thanks, bro. Whosoever misspelled it. Vehicle. Somebody misspelled it. And I cheated. The word was vehicle. Oh shit. Bro, if you're honest, you should not cheat. Yo. Damn. Okay, do not cheat. Let me. Okay. Let me draw. I've got a trash word, by the way. Okay. Don't cheat. Let me also remove this right now. Bro, this is tough. My word is tough. It got auto-selected. This is, by the way, this is your... Yeah. People are guessing it, so my drawing is not bad. People are guessing it. Okay. Like, how do I even describe it now? It's this. 8 minutes. Good drawing. Yeah, it's good drawing. It's not toothbrush. How do I even like... Dentist. It was good. It was not bad. It could have been worse. OMG, such lips. Yeah. Okay, I might have to now end the stream. I've been streaming for goddamn 2 hours now. Damn. Rohan, I get it's like that, right? Share Leetcode profile real quick. It's Pudist G. Pudist J-I-G. Check it out. What is this? Slim. What does that even mean? Skinny? I was the first one to guess, and now people will be cheating. Damn, yep. The first to guess. You know what? Let me wear my cap. This would help. Nah, this looks so bad. Okay, honey, Bajer is choosing a word. Cheat kar rahe tera sun ke. Absolutely, bro. Let's end the game. Okay, this is the last round I'm ending. Let's end. Yeah, ambulance? What do you mean ambulance? Your Leetcode? Okay, Aditya, just after this. Code chef start as anyone? No. I guess it. Modi? How do you even got a Modi here? Not ring. Bro, people typing ring are overthinking. Yeah, what Vikas is saying, just translate that. Dominating leaderboard, am I? Oh, I am. So let's not end it. The word was bell. Okay. Vikas is choosing board. What was his QD? Leetcode DQ. Yeah, bro, I saw that guy's profile. Yo, who's drawing with the goddamn brush the size of my bicep? Car wash 0. Whosoever this is, they get a dislike because they're not drawing. What do you even mean by this drawing? Who's the drawer? Vikas, bro? Vikas, I think it's time to retire from drawing. What? What is even gas mask? Oh. Bro, okay, I cheated. I cheated. I guess everybody cheated because the drawing was trash. The drawing was trash, so it makes sense. Adesh is choosing a word. Okay, choose. Yo, what is this? App. Bro, I'm actually so good at this. First try tha. Oh, okay, bro. Makes sense. I'm actually so good at this. I might just have found my new talent. Last, but I can't understand what you tried. Bro, Pradeep, you still couldn't guess? Just see difference in you and... Yo, I am 5,000 points and the second is 6,000 points. I'm not first. I'm third. DSA Paglu is first. Yo, is DSA Paglu that YouTuber that comes on my feed? Oh, I see. Oh, what do you call it? Not mouse. Wires. What does it even mean? Wire. Yeah, I typed wire. Black. Yo, how are people guessing this? How are people guessing this? Wire, cable. Yo, I might just be the dumbest man here. I should retire. Bro, it's paint. Yeah. I got a plus 190. I wish I got that much in Leetcode. Kudo is shooting word. Look at top, they give guesses. Yeah, this way, this place, right? Okay, it's a 4-letter word. Rohan is already disliking the drawing. Okay. What is this? Forgot the word. Forgot the word. So this guy forgot the word. Who's this? Who's drawing, bro? Kudo. That's why I disliked intuition. Okay. Makes sense. Sorry. Leave tech, bro. Pule is giving some wild guesses. Mole. Hole. You DSA Paglu guess the word? Anshu is the word? Bro, how are people doing it? Note? That's crazy, bro. Death Note. Yeah, I've not watched that, bro. I've not watched that. Anshu is drawing. How did DSA Paglu guess it? Yeah, that's. Oh, I. Yup. Yup. This got recommended to your channel, same life all. Welcome to the group of people with no life. Welcome, bro. Nah, people cheated. People cheated. Carrot? Kudo, bro, just retire. Just retire at this point. Okay, now the next is the last. I'm ending after that. I'm ending Scribble after that. Okay, next is the last. I'm ending Scribble after that. How long have you been practicing DSA? For about 4-5 months now. No, I actually think 6 months. Cheat करने वालों को DSA में ना हो पाएगा, श्राप है मेरा. Bro, Rohan has given a shrap now. What? What? Head and tail? Half? Probability? Same? Need motivation show early just after this. Toss, bro. Somebody said toss. It's not even toss. D-I dice. Bro, nobody guessed it till now. D-I-C-K? No. Bro, how is cuck close? Cuck is close. Luck? Nah. Kismat. Oh. Okay, can I leave this without what if I leave this? What if I leave this? Yeah, I'm leaving this, but I hope it does not end. What if I make somebody else the leader? Mobile chat bubbles, chat messages. Kick, ban, vote kick, mute, report. Okay, I'm leaving this, but I guess okay, I'm ending. I'm sorry, bro. Yeah. Okay, let's come back to stream. Pop in the chat again. Leave कर दे, कुछ नहीं होगा. Okay, let me leave. Let me leave. Right. So that's it for today's stream. Project review. I was one, remember that. Okay, yes you were. Leon and it was. Project review. Bro, today do you actually want me to do it today? It's already been 2 hours. I'll do it on the next stream for sure. I think let's end the stream right now. I'm so sorry. And let's actually enjoy. It's the last day of 2025. It's the last day of 2025. Let me stop the songs. Last day of 2025. Next stream. Yeah, next stream would probably... See, I can try streaming tomorrow, but I have my exam day after tomorrow, so I don't know. Kunal, bro, I have already seen that profile. Please don't spam. भाई अगले साल expert push करना है, उसके बाद job. Yeah, let's hope everybody in the chat who's there get their job. Okay. Coach F दे रहे हो? No bro. No more coach F. Now is the time to finally like say goodbye. Now I'll do DSA next year. No more DSA in 2025. Code chef did it, bhai. Nah, bro. Like I won't. Let me just enjoy now. It's I've done enough practice. Are you going somewhere? No, I'll probably go out for a walk in the park. That's it. Not going out somewhere. Any plans as of such? Okay. So that's it for 2025. I won't be doing any more DSA until the next year. I know that's a lame joke. That's it for today. Let's just hope 2026 goes better than 2025. I know it's a very significant year for me and for, I guess, a lot of guys in the chat. Let's hope everybody gets a job. And that's it. Okay then. Happy New Year to everybody. I'll stream next year now. Again, a lame joke. Then, yep. Let's end it now. Bye bye. Thank you. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, right? Bye, bro. Bye. Let's meet next year now. Thanks for joining. Happy New Year.